what's going on? It's Stupid in here. I got some Pepsi Zero motherfucker. So this is gonna shit. That's a fun picture, bitch. Those bottles. You wanna fuck around? Keep fucking with me. This is a no vomit video, so time for bitch. Kevin. Soda Zero. Holy goddamn hell. Holy damn hell. This is gonna freaking hurt so freaking bad. Ah. Fuck. Shit. Time for a sharp pitch. Wait. Boom, 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 boom. 6 punch. I like playing this thing a little bit. Holy shit. Playing this goddamn thing. I like this goddamn thing. Rolling this goddamn plastic feels so dang good. So time for a shot. Potato batch, and they're warm as fuck. Wow. You guys can see my mustache. My mustache. Look at my mustache. My mustache. I'm a mustache man. Got a little beard here. Jesus Christ. That hurt my goddamn stomach. Like, who the fuck would do that goddamn video? Damn it. They're kind of delicious, but I would need fucking sugar. Ow. Oh, that hurt. About to get full. Gonna get full as hell. Holy Holy freaking hell, man. I don't really feel sick, but I'm gonna get full. That's why I have to be a big black person to do that, because that'll make me an easy ass man. Is your carbonation? Well, you're a liar, motherfucker. You're a fucking liar, pussy. I'm doing it without vomiting today. Because I just vomited my Saturday's video. Because that really fucking hurt. I choose to chuck right there near that fucking window because there's not enough room right there. Because my shit is right there. All my shit. I farted. I don't shit my pants. I'm definitely gonna shit a lot. This burp is gonna sound like this today. Jesus freaking Christ. I really did the Diet Coke without vomiting. I really vomited on there by mistake. My belly is saying, hell no, you're not taking this crap any fucking more. My belly is saying, God dang you, Brayden, why are you doing this to me? Why is it Steve Brayden doing that shit to me? Yo, I'm Mickey Mouse. What the fuck? Yo, it's Steve Brayden. Don't you vomit. I won't, Mickey Mouse. This is why I don't come with you to your school, because your videos suck. It's Steve Brayden's videos suck. I'm not gonna vomit in this video because it's a no vomit video. I'm still not gonna vomit, so fuck it. Oh, I'm so full. I'm full as heck, man. What the heck, Steve Brayden? Why? Why it's Steve Brayden? Why it's Steve Brayden? It's Steve Brayden. Why? Yes. Peace out, bitch. I'm gonna go relax.